How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. As you can see, I've got my truck back from the shop. So the sun is going down over here in Mexico that you all know and love. Trying to do a little bit of a photo shoot right now with the sun going down. Looks also gorgeous. But we're gonna bring the truck up to the shop, and I will show you what has been done to this truck, and it has made a world of difference. So a lot of you have been asking me questions on what was done to the truck, how did it turn out, stuff like that. Well, this is the video for you. So we got the truck in the shop right now so I can give you a better understanding of what I did. So first thing off is the new tires. These are not Nitto 420s. These are called Falcon ZX/TZ05s, and I will never go back to Nitto 420s. These will be, for any truck of mine, the street tires I will use on this truck. It is an absolute bad setup. These ride better than the Nittos. They seem like they handle a lot better than those, and especially they shed water way better than the Nitto. I drove in the rain this morning heading to work. I know it's Saturday. I had to work some overtime today. Help finish up this job, but they ride way better than the Nitto 420. I don't know about the V's, but these do ride a lot better than the 420S's, so I highly recommend this wheel and tire setup. Now, the other thing I did is, of course, the camber alignment bolts, which you already know what that is. But up there, as you can see, are the Rough Country upper control arms for a level 2-inch to 3-inch level lift for these OBS Chevys. Let me get my phone light out, maybe you can see it better. There you go. Those are for the new Chevy. As you can see, there's the camber bolts right there. And they work absolutely phenomenally. There's a little bit more ride adjustment, so that means it's a lot better of ride. You can still see my my Kryptonite stuff right there working flawlessly as usual. But anyways, they just ride so much better now with that. It gives it a little bit better articulation when it goes over bumps and stuff like that, it feels like. It seems like it just does a whole lot better driving. So I highly recommend, if you're going to level one of these trucks. Now, like I said, Kryptonite has not come out with their leveling kit yet. They are coming out with it. Don't know when it's coming out or price or anything like that. But if you're going with the Rough Country setup, make sure you get the upper control arms, even if you're leveling out your OBS Chevy. It makes a world of difference. Like I said, guys, Harper Tires, when they got me these tires, they specialize in wheels and tires for your truck. Make sure you hit them up for all your wheel and tire needs. I saved hundreds of dollars going through them. Well, of course, they're my sponsorship, but also, even if they weren't sponsoring me, I would have saved hundreds of dollars going through them instead of custom offsets. Not trying to bash those guys if they see this video, but I'm sorry, Harper Tire has saved me a lot more money than they would have. So that's pretty much it for the truck. Now, I do want to address something real quick. It has come to my attention, and I'm not trying to make this a rant video like, this is a good video, happy video, but I'm not trying to make this a rant video, but it's come to my attention that there are some people that, especially that know me, not know me personally, but know me potentially where I live and stuff like that. I want to make one thing clear and very clear. If you show up at my house, with me home, with my family home, friends, loved ones, whatever, even if you show up at my place and you are unwanted, uninvited, you will have the authority called on you. If you make threats on me or my family, I will take the appropriate action necessary to stop it. I do not tolerate this, and there's a reason why, because apparently the bash train has started again on me not going to local events. There's a reason why I don't go. I don't go to Robert anymore because of the crap show it is, of how rude people are, how immature people are. And I especially don't go to local little events because, again, how rude people are, how immature people are. And, people apparently get butthurt when I don't put their truck in a video, but they don't think about the fact that it could be bad audio, bad video, didn't flow with the video right, stuff like that. And I'm sorry, you gotta understand, from my point of view, this is also a business, and I'm trying to do this the most professionally way I can. I'm still a work in progress. But anyways, I just want to make that clear, guys. Again, not trying to point fingers at anybody, but it's come to my attention that people just can't keep their mouth shut and don't understand why I do what I do in a certain way, do certain things a certain way, if that makes sense. But other than that, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it's another short little video. Hopefully we'll have some more videos coming out soon. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you like the video, leave a like. New channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. Constantly growing, changing, trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams.